A KTVU exclusive, a spectacular view of snow-capped peaks in the Sierra. It is a sight we haven't seen in years due to the drought. A team from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory flew to the Sierra for the first time this winter to measure the health of our snowpack.
And our KTVU cameras got exclusive access. Our meteorologist Mark Tamayo made the trip to Mammoth to learn more about this groundbreaking research.
The future of snow analysis may be found in this small airplane.
Specifically for snow observations, yeah, this is the only one of its kind in the world.
As we follow the lines, it creates this green swath, you see?
While the February ground survey revealed great news about our above normal snowpack, the technique to collect the measurements is over a century old. This is NASA's Airborne Snow Observatory. We visited the team at the Mammoth Yosemite Airport. They were prepping for their first flight of the winter over the southern Sierra.
It really has been eye-opening for the whole community as to what the actual distribution of snow is in the mountains.
Tom Painter is the pioneer of this project, which is now heading into its fourth winter. Take a look at this mountain and think about heading up there with a pole to measure the snowpack at over 1 million points from the bottom to the top. Impossible. The Airborne Snow Observatory can cover the entire mountain, providing the most accurate and complete profile of the changing snowpack.
We essentially are putting snow pillows and snow courses everywhere with these hundreds of thousands of laser pulses per second when we fly over the mountains.
The instruments are lodged in the plane's underbelly. The LiDAR measures snowpack at a rate of 200,000 pulses per second. The imaging spectrometer, a tool that measures light, records the color of snow and calculates how fast it will melt. We are not allowed on board, but the cameras are, inside and out.
You got the flight plan from Megan?
Yeah. Yep.
The door closes and the plane takes off at 10 a.m. This plane will be airborne for 5 hours. Crew members wear oxygen masks as they collect fresh data. The views from nearly 20,000 feet are dramatic and may trigger a constant temptation to look outside. The aerial footage reveals a healthy snowpack. The instruments have a different view and are capturing data at a rapid pace. These green lines show the flight route, a set of 19 lines zigzagging over the survey area. The plane touches down at 3 p.m. Within a few minutes, the crew shares good news.
This looks a lot different than the last 3 years, so this is good. This is good news.
Do you think this is probably one of the most exciting flights you've been on, just with the data out there?
For sure, yeah. Yeah, and I'm fairly new to the project. I did a few of the baseline measurements in the summer, and this is my first snow flight over Tuolumne, so it was really neat to see everything snow-covered.
The team is still sorting through billions of measurements to update the high-resolution snow maps. Prior maps remind us where we have been. The February 2016 version will look very different from this map produced a year ago.
The comparison with February 2015 last year, when after our horrible January, this is going to be so much more snow than we had last year. So we're excited. We're hopeful for a good year, and we hope it keeps on snowing.
The water locked up in the Sierra eventually works its way to the Bay Area. We shared our fresh footage with the San Francisco Public Utilities Commission. Water managers will make critical decisions based on the upcoming results.
We're excited to see the next set of data, to start putting that into our models and start calibrating our models to see how that might impact how we might consider adjusting our operations.
Multiple planes may fly the entire Sierra down the road. In the short term, this plane will be airborne again in March. Mark Tamayo, KTVU, Fox 2 News.